I'm Luke, and you are watching The Creative Way. Hey guys! So, as much requested, I am doing another piano tutorial. And this is going to be It's Quiet Uptown from Hamilton, so let's get started. Don't reach. There is suffering too terrible to name. You hold your child as tight as you can and push away the unimaginable moments when you're in so deep. It feels easier to just swim down the Hamiltons and move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. So that was the preview for what we're going to be learning, and I'm going to teach you guys that intro right now. So the first thing you want to do is go up here to your high F, and you'll go F, 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 C, 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 A, A, G, F. And that's so you'll play that 2 times, and then you'll go into an F chord, low C. There are moments that the words don't C chord. There is suffering too terrible to D minor. You hold your child as tight as you B flat and push away the unimaginable. And then as soon as you go back to the F chord, you'll want to keep on repeating it. And push away the unimaginable, the moments when you're in so C. It feels easier to just swim D minor. The Hamiltons move up B flat and learn to live with the unimaginable F. Okay, so let's play through the entire intro. Don't reach. There is suffering too terrible to name. You hold your child as tight as you can and push away the unimaginable moments when you're in so deep. It feels easier to just swim down the Hamiltons and move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. Okay. So we're going to move on to the Hamilton part and then basically moving into until he starts singing to Eliza. So that is the exact same thing. So you go, I spend hours in the garden sea. I walk alone to the D minor and it's quiet up B flat. I never like the quiet B F. I take the children to church on C. Sign of the cross at the D minor, and I pray B flat. That never used to happen before. If you see him in the street, singing by himself, talking to himself, F D minor, feel the blue and like it uptown. It's B flat uptown. He is walking through the unimaginable. His hair is gone gray. He sees every day. They say he walks the length of the D minor. You knock me out. I follow B flat. Can you imagine F? So, basically it's the exact same. It goes F, C, D, B flat, F, C, D minor, B flat, and it repeats, and I will put a link to the lyrics down below if you need them. And yeah, so let's play through what we've learned. push away the unimaginable. Moments when you're in so deep, it feels easier to just swim down. The Hamiltons move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. I spend hours in the garden. I walk alone to the store, and it's quiet uptown. I never liked the quiet before. I take the children to church on Sunday, the sign of the cross at the door, and I pray. That never used to happen before. If you see him in the street, walking by himself, talking to himself, have pity. Feel if you would like it uptown. It's quiet uptown. He is walking through the unimaginable. His hair has gone gray. He passes every day. They say he walks the length of the city. Knock me out, I fall apart. Can you imagine? Okay, so the next part is going to be when he's talking to Eliza, and I'm not going to play through what we've already played through after we learn this. I'll just play through the part we've already learned. So it's F, look at where we are. C, look at where we started. D minor, I know I don't deserve you, Eliza. B flat, but hear me out, that would be enough. F, if I could spare his life. C, if I could trade his life. D flat, he'd be standing here, right? B flat, and you would smile, and that would be enough. Alright, so when you get to that B flat, you'd be standing here, right? B flat, and you would smile, and that would be enough. So you'll start repeating. And you would smile, and that would be enough. This is where it changes up. C, I don't pretend to know D flat, D minor. The challenges were A minor, and I know there's no rip. B flat, what we've lost, and you need F, but I'm not afraid. C, I know who I married. D flat. All right, so it's gonna repeat what we've already done. That was the one A minor, I think, in the entire song. Just let me stay here by your side. That'd be enough. If you see him in the street. Whoops, I got carried away. So that is the Hamilton talking to Eliza part. I'm actually gonna not play through the next part. I'm just gonna go right along. So the next thing is F, if you see him in the street. C, by your side, talking by your side. Have D flat at D minor. Eliza, do you like it uptown? It's B flat uptown. He is trying to do the unimaginable. F, see them walking in the park. C, after dark, taking in the sights of the D minor. Look around, look around. In a B flat, they're trying to do the unimaginable. Okay, so that thing is really easy to do. It's just the entire thing, and then the hard part is taking in the sights of the city. Look around, in B flat. They are trying to do the unimaginable. I mean, I guess it's easier because you don't do anything, you don't keep repeating it on B flat, and you don't repeat it on F because it goes into the Angelica part that sounds like this. There are moments that the words don't reach. There's a grace too powerful to name. We push away what we can never understand. We push away the unimaginable. They're standing in the garden. Alright, so it's basically the exact same thing as the first part, except you start repeating on, we push away what we can never understand. We push away the unimaginable. They are standing in the garden. becomes different. She takes his hand. Don't repeat. It's quiet uptown. Don't repeat. Forgiveness. Hold on. Forgiveness. C, can you imagine? D minor, forgiveness. B flat, can you imagine? Start repeating again at F. If you see him in the street, sing by your side, talking by your side, have D minor. Start slowing down here. B flat. They are going through the unimaginable. All right, so you do the F chord, except you just do one F. You don't do the actual chord, and then you do the intro. Okay, that is it. So let's do an entire playthrough and we'll see how it goes. There are moments that the words don't reach. There is suffering too terrible to name. You hold your child as tight as you can and push away the unimaginable. The moments when you're in so deep, it feels easier to just swim down. The Hamiltons move uptown and learn to live with the unimaginable. I spent hours in the garden. Spare his life, if I could trade his life for mine, he'd be standing here right now, and you'd smile, and that would be enough. I don't pretend to know the challenges we're facing. I know there's no replacing what we've lost, and you need time, but I'm not afraid. Stay here by your side, and that would be enough. If you see him in the street, walking by your side, talking by your side, have pity. Eliza, do you like it uptown? It's quiet uptown. He is trying to do the unimaginable. See them walking in the park, long after dark, taking in the sights of the city. Don't reach. There's a grace too powerful to name. We push a weight we can never understand. We push away the unimaginable. They are standing in the garden. thank you guys so much for watching. I have one special announcement before I go, and that is I actually completely coded and designed a new website that showcases everything I've created, and I think it's pretty cool, so I'll put that in the description box below. And of course, if you could like and subscribe, that would really help my channel. And we are almost at 35 subscribers, so that would be great if we could get up to 50 by the end of the year. That's probably our new goal. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.